In this video, we will discuss calculus of functions of more than one variable. That is, in this problem, it is given to find the partial derivative of z having two variables x and y. So here we will discuss the calculus of functions of two variables, and it is given to find out the partial derivative of z with respect to x, then partial derivative of z with respect to y, and z is given log x plus x square minus y square square root, and we have to find out the first order partial derivative. So first find out the partial derivative of z with respect to x. Partial derivative of z means log x plus x square minus y square square root with respect to x, and we know derivative of logarithm of a logarithm function log, suppose log u with respect to x is equal to 1 by u, then derivative of u with respect to x. Similarly here the derivative of logarithmic function log x plus x square minus y square square root is equal to 1 divided by x plus x square minus y square square root, then partial derivative of x plus x square minus y square square root with respect to x. So the partial derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1, and partial derivative of x square minus y square square root is equal to half x square minus y square to the power half, 1 minus half minus 1, that is equal to minus half, then partial derivative of x square, that is equal to 2x, and partial derivative of y square is equal to 0. So you have 1 plus half x square minus y square to the power minus half into 2x. So if you rearrange the terms, here you cancel 2 with 2, then you have 1 divided by x plus x square minus y square square root 1 plus x into x square minus y square to the power minus half. So this is the first order partial derivative of the function z with respect to x. Similarly, we can find out the first order partial derivative of the function z with respect to y. To find the partial derivative of the function z with respect to y, here the z is the logarithmic function log x plus x square minus y square square root, then partial derivative of z with respect to y is equal to partial derivative of log x plus x square minus y square square root with respect to y. Then you use the same formula, the derivative of a logarithmic function, that is 1 by x plus x square minus y square square root, and derivative of this with respect to y. If you take the partial derivative of x with respect to y, that will be equal to 0, and partial derivative of x square minus y square square root will be equal to half x square minus y square to the power minus half, and derivative of minus y square is equal to minus 2y, because partial derivative of x square is equal to 0. So rearranging the term, you cancel 2 here. So this will be equal to minus y x square minus y square to the power minus half, and this term is here. So in this way you can find out the partial derivative of a function with having two variables or more than one variables. In the next video, we will discuss the calculus of functions of more than one variable functions. Thank you.